Hey everybody, what's up? Panda Girl here, and welcome to my first video on this challenge. As you guys can tell, yes, I do have a Minecraft background on my laptop, and I am on laptop, and yeah. So, just to tell you, I'm just getting started on this channel. So. Oh, I'll hide that too. Okay, so guys, I just downloaded this app called, I can't really explain it because I just downloaded it. I can't remember the name of it. So, I hope you guys will enjoy this channel as much as I do. Yeah. And I will be learning how to edit. Right now, I'm not actually going to edit in this video. So, please like, subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!